Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay. How are you?
Fine, thank you, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
Yes. Can you hear me, children, properly? Is there any disturbance in the sound?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Again. Okay. Okay, children, shall we do that equivalent fractions? You have done our homework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Homework was very easy, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll discuss the homework later. Let me start the class now. Okay. So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, children. So, equivalent fractions. We were discussing about our equivalent fractions, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we are going to study about that now. Some more questions I'll give you. Okay, equivalent fractions. First question was 1/2, right? What was the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
1/2.
1/2. Now we will do the second one. One question I'll give you.
Ma'am, you gave second one. 2/3.
2/3. 2/3. Yes. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So shall I give the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Third one is find. 1 minute. 1 minute. Third one is find 5 equivalent fractions. Yes.
I am late to the class.
No, I started now. Equivalent fractions of 2/5. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the procedure of doing? What is the procedure?
Ma'am, first we have to multiply by 2.
Multiply by
Ah.
2.
And we
Why
multiply
we are 1 minute? 1 minute. Why we are not multiplying with 1?
Because we will get the same answer.
We'll get the same answer. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. So, my God, it went up. Okay. Sebastian Armstrong is there in our class?
No, ma'am.
Anyway, he entered.
I am finished.
Okay. Let me change the thickness of the pen. Okay. Answer 2/5 into 2 into 2 equal to 2/5 into 3 into 3. And next one 2/5 into 4 into 4. 2/5 into 5 into 5. and 2 by 5 into 6 into 6. And it is, what is the answer, children? First one?
4 by 10.
4 by
4 by 10.
4 by 10.
Yes, yes. Next one, 6 by 15.
6 by 15
Ma'am, 6
And next one,
by 20.
8 by
20.
20.
8 by 20.
And this one, 10 by
10 by 25.
25. 16 by
16 by 30.
30. And we are, last one, we should write this important step. 2 by 5 equal to
25.
4 by 10 equal to 6 by 15 equal to 8 by 20 equal to 10 by 25 equal to 16 by 30. Now look at your children. There is
The answer is 12 by 10. 12 by
1 minute. 12 by 30. 12 by 30. Okay, and look at here, children. There is one easy way to understand. See, first one is all multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Yes, ma'am.
And the denominators, you just see, it is multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. So whichever be the basic fraction, the answers will be the multiples of it. Clear?
Ma'am.
Okay, then I think it is clear to you now.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now we will, 1 minute. Okay, now what we'll do is, based on this, there are some interesting questions. Okay, I will write one question. I'll write one question. Question number 2.
Ma'am, 4.
Question number 4. And the question is, find the equivalent fraction. Find the equivalent fraction. Find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 with numerator 6. With the numerator 6. Don't write now. Let me explain the question. Afterwards, you can do. Okay, children. Actually, this question comes like this. Question when we write, there is equivalent fraction 2 by 5 equal to, the numerator is given 6. But we don't know about the denominator. This denominator we don't know. Numerator should be 6. That means that top number. Wait. See, children, you have to find the relation between these 2 and 6.
6.
Who is that? Ayush. What is this, Ayush?
No, ma'am. My brother.
Okay. Disturbing you. Okay, Ayush.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, yes. Now look at here. This numerator is given as 6. Numerator means the top number. Now you have to think like this. Which number, when you multiply with this 2 by some number.
Yes, ma'am.
And you got 6 as an answer. Which number is that? When
3.
When you multiplied with 3, you got the answer as 6. Then the same number you should multiply here, no, to get the equivalent fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is our answer?
6 by 15.
By 15. So you have to find the connection between this given numerator and the earlier numerators, and the same connection you have to do with the unknown value. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is you can write. It is a very easy and very important question also. And I'll give the this is fifth question, right? Fifth question.
No, ma'am. Fourth one. Ma'am, fourth one.
No, next one is fifth, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, I will give one question. Find and don't tell the answer. You have to write the answer and keep it there. Find the equivalent fraction.
Find
Equivalent fraction of 2 by 9 with the denominator 63. Denominator 63. When you get a question, you have to write like this. What a box. A box where to find the answer. The place to write the answer, there you have to write one box.
denominator.
After that, you have to write like this. The denominator is given, but the numerator is not given. Okay. So that numerator place you have to give one box.
2 by 9 equal to 63.
Numerator, don't know. Denominator we know. Okay. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. 2 by 9 equal to numerator we don't know, but denominator we know, that is 63. And find the relation between this 9 and 63.
Ma'am, first we have to search for 63
9 stable. Which number when you multiplied, you got 63. 9 into what? 9 into 7. Good. 9 into 7 is 63. So the same thing you have to do here also, because it is equivalent fraction. 14. So, okay. So this is our answer, 14, because it is equivalent fraction. Whatever you do with the one number, denominator or numerator, the same thing you have to do. Either it is multiplication or with the division. Same thing you have to do. I will give one division question. So it will be easy for you. This is sixth question.
And
Question is, yes.
Namasya is in the waiting room.
Who?
Namasya.
Yes. Find the equivalent fraction of, find the equivalent fraction, find the equivalent fraction of 15 by 35 with the denominator 7. I will explain this, children. Wait. Denominator 7. Okay. I will explain this. 15 by 35. See, children. its denominator is 7, but we don't know about the numerator. This is not multiplication. This is, we are simplifying it because we are reducing it. So it is division. How did you get 35 by 7? 35 was 7.
Ma'am, we have to search in 7's table for 35.
Ah, yes. It is not multiplication, it is division. Because 7 into something is 35. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will write like this, 15 by 35. I'll write. Wait, children, how did you get 7? It is division. Division also we can use for equivalent fraction. It is a big number. Big number we got by multiplying. So how will you get the small number? We should multiply, divide with something. You got 7 as an answer. What is that? We divided with which number? 7 into what is 35? Okay. Okay, divide by 5, you got 7. So same thing you should do here also. Divide by 5. So 3. So 3 is our answer. So equivalent fraction, if you get a big fraction, you should divide it to get the smaller one. If it is a smaller number is given, you have to multiply it to get the big one. Now I'll give some questions, very important question. This question is very important, this type of questions. Okay. Shall I give you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear children. So seventh question. 2 by 7 equal to 8 by, we don't know, unknown. Shall I, did you get it? Shall I rewrite
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Did you get it? And one more question. 5 by 8 equal to 10 by dash.
I'm finished.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes. Sebastian Armstrong, which class?
Ma'am, I
This,
from 7.
yes. But he is there. He is coming in the board always. Okay, children. Shall we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 2 by 7 into something. Okay. 7 into something. But we know 2 into something is 8.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Ma'am,
that?
2 into 4.
2 into 4. So 7 into 4. Is it 28?
Yes,
28.
Okay. So answer is 28.
28.
Okay. So 5 by 8. 10 by something. 10 by something. 5 into 5 into 2. Okay.
16.
So 8 into 2 equal to?
16.
Okay. Now let us putting 2 equal to. So children, 1 equal to is enough. 8 into 2 equal to. Okay. So answer is 16. 10 by 16. I hope you got it. Anyone is there who doesn't understand this? Vinayak, Aryan, Amida, Vinod, Shravana, Savio, Adul.
Yes, ma'am.
You need some more explanation, Sri Rudra?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Now, yes. Now I'll give some questions like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it is for division. Division you will understand by getting the, you are getting a big number. Okay, like this, 45 by 60 equal to, if it is, the number is small, you will understand that it is a division. And next one is 18 by 24 equal to dash by 4. Harriet, your brother is attending the class from the same device? Harriet?
No, ma'am.
Okay. But I have seen the same DP. Savio's sister. No, it's Savio's. No. Harriet, you are Savio Henry's sister, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Harriet. But she is always switching on, her camera is always on. So I was asking her whether what happened to Savio. Same device. If it is same device, his camera also should be on. Harriet, is it same device, Harriet? His brother's video. Nowadays, he's okay now. Savio is okay. Okay, Harriet? I asked one day. I understood. Okay, children, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you should find the connection between this 45 and 15. Something when you divided with, you got the answer. Did you understand which number? Which number? Which number?
Into.
Ma'am, into
And this 15 into something is 45. 15 into something.
3.
So you understood that it is division also with the same number, right? So 15 into 3 is 45. So 45 divided by 3 will be 15. So same thing you do here also. So our answer is 20. Clear, children?
Yes,
Did you get? So answer is 20. Same type question here also. 18 by 24 and See children, here you got 4. 4 into something is 24. What is that? 4 into something? 4 into what?
6.
4 into 6. So what you are going to do is, you divide this 24 by 6, you got 4. So the same thing you do here, you will get 3. So what is our answer? 3.
Ma'am, 3.
Okay, children, shall I erase it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And okay. And related to this, there is, did you understand, children? Did you understand, all of you? Division also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And related to this equivalent fraction, one more question is there, that also very interesting. Okay. To checking of equivalent fractions, to check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Checking of equivalent fractions, that also very interesting to do. I'll give. Okay. Checking of equivalent fractions. You can write the heading. Checking of equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Okay, equivalent. Check the spelling. Equivalent fractions. Okay, I will explain one question to you. See, children, you know it is 2 by 5. 1 2 by 5. Let me write 1 2 by 5. Okay, and I'll write another equivalent fraction of it, that is 4 by 10. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If it is equivalent only, we can write this equal to. If it is equivalent only, we can write this equal to. Otherwise, we cannot write it is equal to. If equal to means it is both are equal. If you do not know, we should not write equal to. We have to check whether they are same, whether they are equal. One method is there. Just check. First numbers, first fractions numerator into like this, cross multiplication. It is known as cross multiplication. Okay. What is the answer? 2 into 10.
20.
2 into 10 equal to 20. And like this. What is the answer? 2 in 5 into 4.
20.
5 into 4 also 20. If it is equivalent, you should get the same answer like this. 20 and 20. Same, any answer, same. If it is not same, it is not equivalent. Clear, children? If it is same, it is equivalent. So you can write that 2 by 5 equal to 4 by 10. Otherwise, you cannot write. Otherwise, you cannot write. I'll give one more question. Just listen here. Let me write 2 by 5 equal to 3 by 6. Okay, I cannot write. Just comma. How to check? Tell me. It is like a comma only.
Ma'am, we should do
We have
cross
to cross multiply.
Cross multiplication. You know it? Have you studied this? Have you
Yes,
studied?
ma'am.
2 into 6. How much?
12.
12. 5 into 3. How much?
15.
Is it equivalent fractions?
No, ma'am.
No. So how will you write the conclusion? 2 by 5 not equal to
Not
3 by
equal.
6. 3 by 6. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
These are very important checking of equivalent fractions. I think you have studied this in 5th standard.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Should we write this?
These two you write. These two. No need of writing this. Here one sign is there. Just you will understand it, no? You have to cross multiply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give some more questions. Question number 3. Will you do by the time I'll come to the next period? Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
We should write simply one comma, but because we don't know. Because we don't know whether these are equivalent. Okay.
Yes,
After
ma'am.
getting equivalent fraction only, you can write that equal to in between. So, all the questions, there should be a comma to check the equivalent fractions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, fifth question. There are 3 questions. You do it by when you come for the next period. One more period is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
On board 7, right?
Board 7. Yes, ma'am.
Board 7, board 7.
220.
At 220. Okay, will you start it now?
Yes, ma'am.
5 more minutes are there.
Ma'am, can you share the screen once more?
Yes, yes. Okay, write the questions now. And do it and come for the next period. Okay, children, shall I wind up now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so any doubt, children, today's portion? If you have any
No,
doubt,
ma'am.
you ask me in the next period.
No, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Thank you.
ma'am.